Hello, tutor and classmate. I am going to do the class 7 recording. Begin. Number 1, reading. Audio reading is an emotion in a face and feelings that experiences last until portrayed in the feeling and then repeat and say again in one for one. Statement positive and emotion include the way and the range of the team phase and the ways where the positive and the negative and ways why the replacement and to the negative and emotion with the angry sadful and feel and guilty and say and senses evil and defeat. Number 2, minimal breath. Cat, that, one, with, right, roll, kite, knife, take, pig, cow, goat, pin, bill, deer, bill, fish, day, day, pig, pig, deer, bill, duck, book, day, day, tall, cold, cool, cool, day, day, go, go, down, down, die, die, gap, gap, go, go, tap, gum, table, gable, bean, beer, day, day, down, gum, tick, and big. Number 3, intonation. Statement with the one word. She was, loved, it stopped. Statement with the two strokes. John is reading, Mike is sleeping. The car is stopping, the weather has changed. Statement with the three strokes. She would like to play, the boys are reading a book, the weather are going to change. Statement with the four strokes. She wants to buy a new car, she wrote the letter very quickly, the teacher took her student history, statement with the five strokes. Alex wrote the letter very quickly, Victor is going to London the next month, Daniel can read the book you bought yesterday. Special question, failing intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, quality, written intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, written intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard this news? Do you need some help? Do you have a friend? Question, written intonation. May I speak to L, please? Could you speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, written and failing intonation. Will you come back at 5 or 6? Does she read books in the morning or the night? Will you try to do today or tomorrow? That question, filing a written intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found, have they? You weren't late, were you? I should ask. Something failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do yourself. Asking you for help. Rescue written intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking you to tell me, please. Exclamatory sentence, violent intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. direct address, direct written intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration of written intonation. I go, bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Let's go. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, I will. It's over. Thank you and goodbye.